It's kind of crooked, but we got it.
What are we gonna do now?
We're
We're gonna do another one of those things.
no, those things are so scary. Okay, let's do it again.
Okay.
I'm scared again. You're pulling it this time. Oh my god. Okay, wait on him. Next to you. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, I'm not ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it broke. Freaking, I'm not
Hold
doing
that.
that one.
Hold that in.
I'm not holding that in. You hold that in.
No, you hold that
No.
in. Hold it.
That one sucks. Just, I almost pulled that on my head. Stop.
Hold it.
That one broke in half.
Do another one. Let's get her.
You said that one.
You ready?
Let's shoot bottle rockets off the freaking porch.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
What the heck? I'm not pulling that.
Okay, one more time.
Let's just try it one more time. See, we have enough balls to do it again and again and again.
Okay, let's pull it kind of slower.
Slower, no, because I get scared. And I'm going to say,
It gets scared or you get scared?
me.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Okay, that's just not going to happen. I'll get a bottle. Like, hold on, I'll be right
You don't have to have
back.
a bottle.
We're going to put them in a bottle and shoot them off front porch.
You don't have to have a bottle.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Oh, no, you don't. I'm freaking really cold. Wait, we got to light this thing.
No, you don't.
No, we got to light this thing.
You don't have to.
We have to light this thing because I don't want to use my lighter a lot.
Okay, fine.
It's up my dick.
Okay.
Why is it wind blowing?
Why is the wind blowing?
I can't light it because it was freaking. Look at my lighter in my stick. It's not working. It's like a very gigantic cigarette.
What?
Look. Alright.
What if it catches the trees on fire though?
Well then, I'm gonna laugh at
I'm
you.
gonna throw it that way.
At the neighbor's house.
Okay.
I don't even like
Okay, let me
them.
see the
Nobody
stick.
lives there.
Let me do it first.
No! Okay, your guess goes first. You're not gonna guess. Why am I letting you go first? Jay's gonna go first because I love her. And I'm wearing glasses and I look weird.
I'm shaking, man. Look at that.
It's cold out here. I'll put on your jacket. Pour it at the house. Oh my god. Oh. My dog's gonna piss her pants.
Oh, and it doesn't record it though.
What?
Okay, do one.
Do a sparkler to entertain them.
Okay.
She's gonna do a sparkler. Do a red one. We haven't done a red.
I'm
kinda
red.
afraid to
I
do
like
it.
red.
I'm afraid. Can we let it?
You gotta wait to throw it. It landed in the tree.
It landed in a tree. I threw it off the porch, and it landed in the tree. It landed in the tree.
Here, you do the sparkler, and I'll do another bottle rocket.
Okay, because I can't do that. I threw it in a tree.
Well, mine landed in
I
the
want a
bush
red
right
one.
there.
No, I don't. We gotta use these. It's gonna catch the plant on fire.
You're gonna have to use a lighter for that.
Yeah. And my pink, purple lighter. Lighter? Looks like this. We have school tomorrow. You know how bad it's gonna suck? Oh! Throw it!
Chill out. I threw it too soon again. I'll do it again. You gotta wait to throw it. That's to throw it.
I don't.
It gets light.
I get scared. Come on. Don't be wasting my lighter fluid.
Oh,
Stop. They exploded right next to me. Where did that thing go?